Welcome to our guide on enabling storage access for the Flickr app on your Android device. If you're encountering issues with uploading or saving photos, it's likely due to restricted storage permissions. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to grant the necessary permissions. First, locate the Flickr app on your Android. Then press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then select App Info. Next, tap on Permissions to see all the permissions the app currently. Then, find and select Storage from the list. Finally, choose Allow access to media only. This setting enables the Flickr app to access your photos and videos, facilitating uploads and downloads without granting full access to all files on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.